Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to convert sentences into passive voice in case of present tense. So let's start with simple present tense. In simple present tense, we follow the following rule while converting the sentence into passive voice. So, first of all, we write the subject. Subject means the object of active voice as the subject of passive voice. After that, we write the auxiliary verb is, am, are, and then we write the past participle form of the main verb. After that, we write the preposition by and then the object. Here object means the subject of the active voice as the object of the passive voice. Let's take one example. Leela waters the plants every day. Here in this sentence, the object of the sentence is the plants, which will change as subject in passive voice. As the plants is a plural number, therefore auxiliary verb are will come. The past participle form of water is watered, and then preposition by, which is followed by the object Leela every day. So now the sentence here will be the plants are watered by Leela every day. So the active voice, the sentence is Leela waters the plants every day, and in passive voice the sentence is the plants are watered by Leela every day. Next is present continuous tense. The formula of present continuous tense is subject plus is, am, are plus being plus past participle form of the verb and then the preposition by and then the object of the sentence. Here object means the subject of active voice. For example, Shantanu is painting the wall. Here the object of sentence, the wall, will be taken as the subject in passive voice. As the subject is singular number, therefore we use auxiliary verb is. Then write being. After that, past participle form of the main verb paint is painted. Then write the preposition by. After that, the subject of active voice will come as the object of the passive voice, that is Shantanu. So here the passive voice, the sentence is the wall is being painted by Shantanu. Next is present perfect tense. So in present perfect tense, the formula for changing the sentence from active to passive voice is subject. Subject means here the object of active voice as the subject of the passive voice. After that, has or have, the auxiliary verb has or have according to the given subject, and then write been. After that, the past participle form of the main verb followed by the preposition by. After that, write the object of the sentence. Here object means the subject of active voice as the object of the passive voice. For example, Asim has finished the homework. Here, the object, the homework, would be taken as the subject of passive voice. Auxiliary verb has followed by been and then the past participle form of finish, that is finished, plus preposition by. After that, the subject of active voice will be taken as the object of the passive voice. So the subject of active voice is Asim, that would be taken as the object of the passive voice. Now the full sentence is the homework has been finished by Asim. So the sentence in active voice is Asim has finished the homework, and the sentence in the passive voice is the homework has been finished by Asim. So this is enough for today. And remember one thing, that there is no passive voice for present perfect continuous tense. So today we have completed our present tense. Next video will discuss about the past continuous tense. Thank you and have a nice day.